Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning. How are you? Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Present our honorable chief guest, special guest, and all the audience. Take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Actually, I'm not a good speaker. However, I will try my best talk about something according to my selected topic. I must try to be a good speaker in English. Keep me in your prayers. Now I am going to introduce myself. This is Tabassum speaking in front of you. I was born in Bola in Charpeshan. My father's name Nasaruddin, he is a businessman. My mother's name Makshuda, she is a homemaker. We are two sisters and two brothers. I am the third child of parents. Now I am studying at Darul Quran Islamic Academy in class 5. My favorite hobby is reading book, food is mango, game is cricket. My favorite person is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I want to follow my prophet. My future plan is to be a doctor. That's all about me for the time being. In conclusion, to speak the truth, it was a very nice moment with you. If I made any mistake, please pardon me.
Thanks a lot. I'm very appreciated for that. You should pray for our students. Thank you very much.